All right, good morning, everybody. A little bit different look to the market today than yesterday, but that's kind of, that's the volatility that we're facing right now, and most of it is really centered just around trade. Yesterday, some negativity about the trade deal. This morning, some more clarity, positivity. Don't know what to believe. You just got to go with the flow and be able to trade the volatility. Good thing we took off half of our position in VIX yesterday. We'll see what we want to do with the balance this morning after we open up here. Definitely looking if CRM drops here. We talked about this yesterday. If it drops down to the 156-ish level, don't know if it'll get there. We were looking to potentially enter in here today. Let's look at our ZS call calendar from yesterday. Not much to it right now. Got to wait to see what happens. The options really aren't open yet.